haul and review. I just got a bunch of new jewelry in the mail that was gifted to me by a brand called PRECOCITY. I'm really excited to show you everything I received. Everything is such great quality, and I've been wearing all their stuff since literally I got it in the mail, and I'm just obsessed. The sale is their clearance is up to 70% off, and you can take an additional 20% off with my code. I'll put it on the screen right here. So definitely take advantage of both of those sales. With the holiday season coming up, you can get your loved ones some fine jewelry at a really good price. So let's get right into what I received. So first, everything comes in this really pretty cute light pink box. It says the company name PRECOCITY on the box right here, and it kind of opens like that, and then inside is this little pouch with all of the jewelry. So this is a really nice pouch. I highly recommend keeping these pouches for traveling. I love these type of jewelry pouches, so my jewelry stays safe and kind of like in one place than all loose in my bag. And this one is really good quality, nice cloth material, and then again says the company name on the bag. Okay, so now getting into the actual jewelry, I'm going to start off with the rings I received. So first one is this ring. I'm gonna put it on so you guys can kind of see it better. But this first one is like a twist ring, and I love these type of rings for stacking. Just very thin, dainty. You can stack like a few of them on one finger, and I love that look. And then I also got this one that I've been stacking on top of it. This is more of a textured stacking ring, but see how these look really cute together. I love, 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 love. Both of these are sterling silver with 14 karat gold plating, so really good quality. Okay, next going into rings, I have some great everyday pieces. So this pair is just like a little mini hoop that I like to wear on my first hole. Very simple and dainty, but a great little everyday earring. But it just unhooks like that, super easy to get on and off. And then to go along with that, I have this little mini hoop to go on my second hole, and this actually matches the textured ring. So the top ring that I showed you guys is that same kind of textured detail to it. And again, everything in this whole entire haul that I'm showing you is sterling silver, 14 karat gold plating. But yeah, those are the two everyday earrings that I've been wearing lately, and I like to kind of pair these together, little baby hoops. And then I have even smaller hoops. These are tiny, tiny, tiny. Great for like a third hole even. They would look really good with those two. I'll try to show you, but it's literally so tiny I can barely even hold it in my finger. Just looks like that, super small. The same type of like clasp to it, kind of just opens up like so. And then instead of just like a normal hoop, it has cubic zirconias kind of detailed into the side right there. Really hard to see. Next I have is a little stud. They're a triple bubble stud is the name, and it's really small, like just maybe on the third hole if you want like a little detail, but nothing crazy. It is a tiny little 3-dot stud. I've yet to wear these, hence the tag right here. But I'm really excited about these, just for a little touch of something, but not like too crazy. Okay, and then final pair of earrings are these chain link dangly earrings. Very cute, elegant. They also have like a blue kind of detail to it right there. I love these. I'm really excited to wear these on Thanksgiving to kind of give my outfit some spice. I'm such a like hoop girl. I'm always wearing hoops, so it's nice to kind of switch it up here and there. Okay, and then final piece of jewelry is this bracelet. I love getting new bracelets in the mail just because I don't really have a lot of bracelets, so when I do get one, I am obsessed and I put it on right away. So I've been wearing this since I opened the package. So I'm just going to show you it on my wrist right now. It is a double chained bracelet, so there's like a thinner chain, a thicker chain, and then like a little clasp to get it on and off. Looks like that. Very pretty, simple. I love chained bracelets. They kind of go with like any outfit, so I'm very excited to wear all these pieces and style them